The heater should be on right now, but it's not. That red and white cord right there, if you connect it, it should be like a switch and it should turn on. So I put those two together and the heater still doesn't turn on. I then proceed to look at the heater down here, and you know, I match those wires, and I see that this white and red one matches with over the thermostat. So I'm thinking maybe this and this might have a disconnect. So I directly had the red and blue joined together here, and the heater still doesn't turn on. So at this point, I'm calling the you know, the HVAC guys to troubleshoot it. So what was that?
It's on now. It solved your problem. You're not going to have any more problem with this heater anymore. Unless something else is...
Okay, now that should do it.
Yeah. Okay, turn on the heater back on.
Initially, the red wire was here, and the white wire was connected to this part here, which is known as the thermostat wire. Thermostat. And so, I don't know how, but it worked for 2 years. And, you know, the maintenance person, he said the wiring is incorrect. So, red wire goes here, and the fix is he connect the white wire instead of from here to here.